What if I told you that scientists have already reversed aging in mice? They took old, frail, half-blind mice and turned back their biological clocks. Their organs got younger. Their vision came back. They started running again like they were young. Now the question is, can this work on you? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what science can actually do about aging and what's still just a billionaire's fantasy. Hey everyone, welcome back. Aging. It's the one thing every single human being has in common, and the one thing we've never been able to stop. But something changed in the last few years. For the first time in history, scientists aren't just trying to help you age better, they're trying to make aging optional. Sounds crazy, right? Let's get into it.
Before we talk about reversing aging, you need to understand why we age in the first place, because the answer is stranger than you think. Aging isn't just wearing out like an old car. It's actually caused by specific biological damage that scientists have grouped into what they call the hallmarks of aging. Things like your DNA accumulating damage over time, your cells losing their identity and forgetting what they're supposed to do, zombie cells called senescent cells that refuse to die and poison healthy cells around them, and your mitochondria, the powerhouses of your cells, slowly breaking down. Here's the twist. None of this is random. It's not some mystical force. It's biological information being lost over time, like a book slowly losing its ink. And if aging is just information loss, that raises a terrifying, exciting question. Can that information be restored? That's exactly what scientists have been racing to find out. In 2020, researchers at Harvard used a gene therapy technique and restored vision in old, blind mice by making their eye cells biologically younger again. But here's the catch that nobody talks about. Push the reprogramming too far, and the cells don't just get younger. They lose their identity completely and can turn into tumors. In other words, scientists have found the fountain of youth, but it might be sitting right next to a landfill of cancer. That's the razor's edge researchers are walking on right now.
So where does that leave us, actual humans, right now in 2026? There are already human trials underway using several approaches. Number 1, senolytics, drugs designed to selectively kill off those zombies, senescent cells clogging up your tissues without harming healthy ones. Number 2, NAD+ boosters, supplements aimed at restoring a molecule your cells need for energy production, which drops sharply as you age. Number 3, partial cellular reprogramming, the human-safe version of that Yamanaka discovery, currently being tested by biotech companies backed by billions of dollars from Silicon Valley investors. Number 4, rapamycin and metformin, everyday drugs originally made for organ transplants and diabetes, now being studied for their surprising effects on lifespan. None of these are a cure for aging, not yet. But for the first time, we're not just treating the symptoms of aging, heart disease, wrinkles, weak bones. We're targeting the root process itself. That is a completely different game.
So back to the question in the title. Can we reverse aging? Here's the honest answer. In animals, partially yes. In humans, we are just getting started. Biological age and chronological age are not the same thing. Some 50-year-olds have the markers of someone 35. Others have the markers of someone 65. Scientists can now measure this using something called an epigenetic clock, essentially reading your cells like an odometer. And in small human trials, some interventions have already shown measurable reductions in biological age. We are not immortal yet, but the idea that aging is fixed, unchangeable, and untouchable, that belief is officially outdated. While the lab-grown miracles are still being tested, here's what actually moves the needle right now, backed by real evidence. Prioritizing sleep and muscle strength, reducing sugar and processed food, managing stress, which accelerates cellular aging, and staying socially connected. Loneliness is linked to faster biological aging. Not as exciting as gene therapy, I know, but right now, it's the most powerful tool you actually have access.
So, will we see a real cure for aging in our lifetime? Some scientists say 10 years, others say 50. What do you think? Would you want to biologically reverse your age if the science became available tomorrow? Drop your answer in the comments. I read every single one. If this blew your mind even a little,
hit subscribe and turn on notification. See you in the next one.